welcome to another edition of Me Watching the Internet. Today we're going to be talking about Labia reduction. Do you guys know that girls are getting their labia reduced? If you don't know what labia is, Google it. Do you guys know that girls are getting cosmetic genital surgery? Girls are trying to get designer vaginas. What the deal? When did this start? I have never heard of a situation where a guy passed up on some vagina just because the girl's labia was too much to handle. I mean, if you're a guy and you have, I want to hear that story. Contact me. And ladies, if you're thinking about doing this, think again. If your man doesn't like the way things are down there, then find a new man. I don't see why it should matter. If anything, a bigger labia should have a better feeling than the smaller ones. And if you can't find a guy that accepts you, look for a Jamaican. Because I we say, fat pum pum girl, yes me rather them. Coulda fat, coulda slim, yes me slaughter them. Give me the girl, let me not be my on the part of them. I don't know if them breed me with father them.